boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song here from Saulito called Hesitation. A great song, fun to play. I'm gonna challenge you here with some bar chords high up here. And yeah, that's what we're gonna go for. No need for any cape on this one. We have 4 different chords that goes round and round in the same order through the entire song. So let's take a look at the chords. So first one will be the G minor 7. Like I said, it will be bar chords and high up here. So the bar you need to place on the 10th fret. Okay guys, so up here close to you, 10th fret from the A string and down. And all these chords will be bar chords from the A string and down. So that means all strings except from its last E. Okay, so skip the last E. So 5 strings from bottom up on the 10th fret, and the rest will be 12 here on the D string and 11th on the B. So that's a G minor 7. All right, so the next chord will be F minor 7. So what you do here, you take the same grip and just move it 2 steps away like this. So you land with the bar here now on the 8th fret. Okay, bar on 8th, and the rest will be 10 here on D string and 9 on the B string. So the exact same grip from G minor 7 to the F minor 7. Then we have a D sharp chord actually, but you don't need to hold it as a real D sharp because it could be a little bit tricky. So the grip will be like this. It's based upon the D sharp. It looks like that, but you can skip this finger. So still now a bar on this 6th fret this time. So from A string and down, everything there is the same. And now you can just add the 8th fret on the G string and the 8th fret on the B string. So that is what you need when you're gonna play this chord. I'm gonna show you how soon, but this is the grip. All right, so that was the D sharp, and then you move down with your bar finger here to the 5th fret and play the next chord. This is a variation of a D chord. It looks like this, so we can just call it the D. That was the D sharp, and now we have the D. So bar on the 5th fret from the A string and down, and then the rest will be 7th on the G string, 7th on B, and 6th on E. Like that. So there we have the chord progression, 4 chords. Okay, so G minor, F minor, then we had the D sharp and the D. All right, so we have 2 different ways of playing this one. We will stick to the bass string, which will be the A. Okay, so that's the A string, the bass, and then the top strings will be the G, B, and E together. All right, so that is how you're gonna handle the chords. So the bass string, just the A string, and the top strings will be G, B, and E. So, like I said, 2 different patterns. The first pattern you will play like this. Okay, so that is bass, then top, which will be the 3 strings, G, B, and E together. Then comes clap. And then you play the bass and the tops together. And then you end with a clap. So bass, top, clap, then bass, top together, and clap. So slowly like this. Again. then you shift to next chord. You're gonna play one of these strummings or pickings or whatever we're gonna call it per chord. So and some up in tempo. So on. So that is the first pattern. You're gonna play that about half into the song, and about 2 minutes and 18 seconds into the song we'll change to a new picking pattern. It's a little bit extended version of the one we just learned. So about 2 minutes and 18 seconds in, you're gonna play this pattern. Okay, so that is bass, still the same string, so A string here, and then top, the G beanie, then comes the clap, then comes the bass top together, then clap, then bass top together, then clap again, and you do that for a final time, bass top together, and clap. All right, so you can say that you're gonna start with the bass, then the top, clap, and then you're gonna do 3 times the bass top and clap. So that is one picking around. So slowly like this. Some up in tempo. And so on. So that you're gonna play till the end of this song, and that pretty much covers Saulito's Hesitation. So give it a try if you wanna really practice your hand grip here with your left hand, bar chords and high up here. It takes a little bit of an effort, but yeah, it's a good way of practicing it. So give it a try and good luck, guys. Play tuned.